Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to check out how to get a Chime card. So if you're wondering how to get a Chime card, this video is for you. Let's get right into it. The first step, of course, will be to sign up for a Chime account if you don't have that already. So you want to quickly go and download the Chime mobile app, or visit the Chime website. Then you got to create an account by providing personal and financial information. But once you're done with that, moving on to the second step, which is to apply for the card. What you want to do is, first of all, go ahead and log into your Chime account on the mobile app or the website. Then you want to navigate to the card or debit card section. Then you want to tap or click apply now or get a card. And lastly, you want to review and agree to the terms and conditions. Of course, you got to do that. And the third step, of course, is to verify your identity. So first off, you want to provide identification documents such as a driver's license or a passport. And then you want to verify your address or other personal information. So you got to take care of all that before you move on to the next step. And the next step, of course, is to receive your Chime card. Once approved, your Chime card will be mailed to you. So you got to activate your card through the Chime app or the website. Now, there are three kinds of Chime cards that you're going to get. The first is a Chime debit card, and this is a standard debit card for everyday purchases. The second, of course, is a Chime credit builder card, and this is a secured credit card for building credits. And the third, of course, is a Chime spending account card. Now, this is a card for managing your Chime spending account. So whichever one of these cards you want to get, you got to follow the same process, and you can just choose which one you want to get out of them. Now, there are some things to know when it comes to eligibility. Now, the first, of course, is you got to be at least 18 years old. You got to be at least 18 years old, an adult, before you can get this card. And the second is you got to be a U.S. resident. So sorry to everybody who's not in the U.S., you can't get this if you're not a U.S. citizen. The third, of course, is you must have a Chime account in good standing. If you do not meet any of these requirements, you're not going to be able to open get a Chime card. Now, I've got a couple of tips for you guys when it comes to this particular topic. Now, the first, of course, is to activate your card as soon as you receive it. So the minute you get it, go ahead and activate it. Of course, this will require you to create a PIN for secure transaction. Now, the third thing I gotta say is to regularly check your account's activity to detect any suspicious transactions. So in case someone is using your card, or somehow they got your PIN or something, you're gonna be able to catch that early on. So you gotta make sure to pay attention to that. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, of course, and comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Share the video with your friends, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.